ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣಪತಿ ಶಾರದಾ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಟು ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತಾ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 7 ಜ್ಞಾನ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಯೋಗ, ಯೋಗ ಆಫ್ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ.
ಅಥ ಸಪ್ತಮೋಧ್ಯಾಯಃ ಜ್ಞಾನ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಯೋಗಃ. ಶ್ರೀ ಭಗವಾನುವಾಚ ಮಯ್ಯಾಸಕ್ತಮನಃ ಪಾರ್ಥ ಯೋಗಂ ಯುಂಜನ್ಮದಾಶ್ರಯಃ ಅಸಂಶಯಂ ಸಮಗ್ರಂ ಮಾಂ ಯಥಾ ಜ್ಞಾಸ್ಯಸಿ ತಚ್ಛೃಣು.
Shri Bhagavan said, Arjuna, now listen how with the mind attached to me through exclusive love and practicing yoga with absolute dependence on me, you will know me, the repository of all power, strength and glory and other attributes, the universal soul in entirety and without any shadow of doubt.
ಜ್ಞಾನಂ ತೇಹಂ ಸವಿಜ್ಞಾನಂ ಇದಂ ವಕ್ಷ್ಯಾಮ್ಯಶೇಷತಃ ಯಜ್ಞಾತ್ವಾ ನೇಹ ಭೂಯೋನ್ಯತ್ ಜ್ಞಾತವ್ಯಮವಶಿಷ್ಯತೆ.
I shall unfold to you in its entirety this wisdom, knowledge of God in His absolute formless aspect, along with the knowledge of the qualified aspect of God, both with form and without form, having known which nothing else remains yet to be known in this world.
ಮನುಷ್ಯಾಣಾಂ ಸಹಸ್ರೇಷು ಕಶ್ಚಿದ್ ಯತತಿ ಸಿದ್ಧಯೇ ಯತತಾಮಪಿ ಸಿದ್ಧಾನಾಂ ಕಶ್ಚಿನ್ಮಾಂ ವೇತ್ತಿ ತತ್ವತಃ.
Hardly one among thousands of men strives to realize me. Of those striving yogis, again, some rare one devoting himself exclusively to me knows me in reality.
ಭೂಮಿರಾಪೋ ನಲೋ ವಾಯುಃ ಖಂ ಮನೋ ಬುದ್ಧಿರೇವ ಚ ಅಹಂಕಾರ ಇತೀಯಂ ಮೇ ಭಿನ್ನಾ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿರಷ್ಟಧಾ. ಅಪರೇಯಮಿತಸ್ತ್ವನ್ಯಾಂ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಂ ವಿದ್ಧಿ ಮೇ ಪರಾಂ ಜೀವಭೂತಾಂ ಮಹಾಬಾಹೋ ಯಯೇದಂ ಧಾರ್ಯತೆ ಜಗತ್.
Earth, water, fire, air, ether, mind, reason, and also ego, these constitute my nature divided into 8 parts. This indeed is my lower material nature. The other than this, by which the whole universe is sustained, know it to be my higher or spiritual nature in the form of Jiva, the life principle. O Arjuna,
ಏತದ್ಯೋನೀನಿ ಭೂತಾನಿ ಸರ್ವಾಣೀತ್ಯುಪಧಾರಯ ಅಹಂ ಕೃತ್ಸ್ನಸ್ಯ ಜಗತಃ ಪ್ರಭವಃ ಪ್ರಳಯಸ್ತಥಾ.
Arjuna, know that all beings have evolved from this twofold Prakriti, and that I am the source of the entire creation, and into me again it dissolves.
ಮತ್ತಃ ಪರತರಂ ನಾನ್ಯತ್ ಕಿಂಚಿದಸ್ತಿ ಧನಂಜಯ ಮಯಿ ಸರ್ವಮಿದಂ ಪ್ರೋತಂ ಸೂತ್ರೇ ಮಣಿಗಣಾ ಇವ.
There is nothing else besides me, Arjuna, like clusters of yarn, beads formed by knots on the thread. All this is threaded on me.
ರಸೋಹಮಪ್ಸು ಕೌಂತೇಯ ಪ್ರಭಾಸ್ಮಿ ಶಶಿ ಸೂರ್ಯಯೋಃ ಪ್ರಣವಃ ಸರ್ವವೇದೇಷು ಶಬ್ದಃ ಖೇ ಪೌರುಷಂ ನೃಷೋ.
Arjuna, I am the sap in water and the radiance of the moon and the sun. I am the sacred syllable Om in all the Vedas, the sound in ether and virility in men.
पुण्यो गन्धः पृथिव्याञ्च तेजश्चास्मि विभावसौ जीवनं सर्वभूतेषु तपश्चास्मि तपस्विषु
I am the pure odor, the subtle principle of smell in the earth, and the brightness in fire. Nay, I am the life in all beings and austerity in the ascetics.
बीजं मां सर्वभूतानां विद्धिः पार्थ सनातनम् बुद्धिर्बुद्धिमतामस्मि तेजस्तेजस्विनामहम्
Arjuna, know me, the eternal seed of all beings. I am the intelligence of the intelligent, the glory of the glorious am I.
बलं बलवतां चाहं कामरागविवर्जितं धर्माविरुद्धो भूतेषु कामोऽस्मि भरतर्षभ
Arjuna, of the mighty I am the might, free from passion and desire in beings. I am the sexual desire, not conflicting with virtue or scriptural injunctions.
ये चैव सात्विका भावाः राजसास्तामसाश्च ये मत्त एवेति तान् विद्धि न त्वहं तेषु ते मयि
Whatever other entities there are, born of sattva, the quality of goodness, and those that are born of rajas, the principle of activity, and tamas, the principle of inertia, know them all as evolved from me alone. In reality, however, neither do I exist in them, nor do they in me.
त्रिभिर्गुणमयैर्भावैः एभिः सर्वमिदं जगत् मोहितं नाभिजानाति मामेभ्यः परमव्ययम्
The whole of this creation is deluded by these objects evolved from the three modes of Prakriti, Sattva, Rajas, and Tamas. That is why the world fails to recognize me, standing apart from these, the imperishable.
दैवी ह्येषा गुणमयी मम माया दुरत्यया मामेव ये प्रपद्यन्ते मायामेतां तरन्ति ते
For this most wonderful Maya, the wheel of mine, consisting of three gunas, modes of nature, is extremely difficult to break through. Those, however, who constantly adore me alone are able to cross it.
न मां दुष्कृतिनो मूढाः प्रपद्यन्ते नराधमाः माययापहृतज्ञानाः आसुरं भावमाश्रिताः
Those whose wisdom has been carried away by Maya and are of demoniac nature, such foolish and vile men of evil deeds do not adore me.
चतुर्विधा भजन्ते मां जनाः सुकृतिनोऽर्जुन आर्तो जिज्ञासुरर्थार्थी ज्ञानी च भरतर्षभा
Four types of devotees of noble deeds worship me. Arjuna, the seeker after worldly possessions, the afflicted, the seeker for knowledge, and the man of wisdom. O best of Bharatas!
तेषां ज्ञानी नित्ययुक्तः एकभक्तिमान् भक्तिर्विशिष्यते प्रियो हि ज्ञानिनोत्यर्थम् अहं स च मम प्रियः
Of these, the best is the man of wisdom, ever established in identity with me and possessed of exclusive devotion. For I am extremely dear to the wise man who knows me in reality, and he is extremely dear to me.
उदाराः सर्व एवैते ज्ञानी त्वात्म्यैव मे मतम् अस्थितः स हि युक्तात्मा मामेवानुत्तमं गतिम्
Indeed, all these are noble, but the man of wisdom is my very self. Such is my view. For such a devotee who has his mind and intellect merged in me is firmly established in me alone as the highest goal.
बहूनां जन्मनामन्ते ज्ञानवान् मां प्रपद्यते वासुदेवः सर्वमिति समहात्मासु दुर्लभः
In the very last of the all birds, the enlightened person worships me by realizing that all this is God. Such a great soul is very rare indeed.
कामैस्तैस्तैहृतज्ञानाः प्रपद्यन्तेऽन्यदेवताः तन्तं नियममास्थाय प्रकृत्या नियता स्वया
Those whose wisdom has been carried away by various desires, being prompted by their own nature, worship other deities, adopting norms relating to each.
यो यो यां यां तनुं भक्तः श्रद्धयार्चितुमिच्छति तस्य तस्याचलां श्रद्धां तामेव विदधाम्यहम्
Whatever celestial form a devotee craving for some worldly object chooses to worship with reverence, I stabilize the faith of that particular devotee in that very form.
सतया श्रद्धया युक्तस्तस्याराधनमीहते लभते च ततः कामान् मयैव विहितान् हितान्
Endowed with such faith, he worships that particular deity and obtains through that deity without doubt his desired enjoyments as ordained by me.
अन्तवत्तु फलं तेषां तद्भवत्यल्पमेधसां देवान् देवयजो यान्ति मद्भक्ता यान्ति मामपि
The fruit gained by these people of small understanding, however, is perishable. The worshippers of gods attain the gods, whereas my devotees, howsoever they worship me, eventually come to me and me alone.
अव्यक्तं व्यक्तिमापन्नं मन्यन्ते मामबुद्धयः परं भावमजानन्तः ममाव्ययमनुत्तमम्
Not knowing my supreme nature, unsurpassable and undecaying, the ignorant persons regard me who am the supreme spirit beyond the reach of mind and senses and the embodiment of truth, knowledge and bliss to have assumed a finite form through birth as an ordinary human being.
नाहं प्रकाशः सर्वस्य योगमाया समावृतः ಮೂಢೋಯಂ ನಾಭಿಜಾನಾತಿ ಲೋಕೋ ಮಾಮಜಮವ್ಯಯಂ.
Wheeled by my Yogamaya divine potency, I am not manifest to all. Hence, these ignorant folk fail to recognize me, the birthless and imperishable Supreme Deity, that is, consider me as subject to birth and death.
ವೇದಾಹಂ ಸಮತೀತಾನಿ ವರ್ತಮಾನಾನಿ ಚಾರ್ಜುನ ಭವಿಷ್ಯಾಣಿ ಚ ಭೂತಾನಿ ಮಾಂ ತು ವೇದ ನ ಕಶ್ಚನ.
Arjuna, I know all beings, past as well as present, nay, even those that are yet to come, but none devoid of faith and devotion knows me.
ಇಚ್ಛಾದ್ವೇಷ ಸಮುತ್ಥೇನ ದ್ವಂದ್ವಮೋಹೇನ ಭಾರತ ಸರ್ವಭೂತಾನಿ ಸಮ್ಮೋಹಂ ಸರ್ಗೇ ಯಾಂತಿ ಪರಂತಪ.
O valiant Arjuna, through delusion in the shape of pairs of opposites such as pleasure and pain, etc., born of desire and aversion, all living creatures in this world are falling a prey to infatuation.
ಯೇಷಾಂ ತ್ವಂತಗತಂ ಪಾಪಂ ಜನಾನಾಂ ಪುಣ್ಯಕರ್ಮಣಾಂ ತೇ ದ್ವಂದ್ವಮೋಹ ನಿರ್ಮುಕ್ತಾಃ ಭಜಂತೆ ಮಾಂ ದೃಢವ್ರತಾಃ.
But those men of virtuous deeds whose sins have come to an end, being freed from delusion in the shape of pairs of opposites, born of attraction and repulsion, worship me with a firm resolve in every way.
ಜರಾಮರಣಮೋಕ್ಷಾಯ ಮಾಮಾಶ್ರಿತ್ಯ ಯತಂತಿ ಯೇ ತೇ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ತದ್ವಿದುಃ ಕೃತ್ಸ್ನಂ ಅಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಂ ಚ ಕರ್ಮ ಚಾಖಿಲಂ. ಸಾಧಿಭೂತಾಧಿದೈವಂ ಮಾಂ ಸಾಧಿಯಜ್ಞಂ ಚ ಯೇ ವಿದುಃ ಪ್ರಯಾಣಕಾಲೇಪಿ ಚ ಮಾಂ ತೇ ವಿಧುರ್ಯುಕ್ತಚೇತನಃ.
They who have taken refuge in me strive for deliverance from old age and death, know Brahma the Absolute, the whole Adhyatma, the totality of jivas or embodied souls, and the entire field of karma, action, as well as my integral being, comprising Adhibhuta, the field of matter, Adhidaiva, Brahma, and Adhiyagna, the unmanifest divinity dwelling in the heart of all beings as their witness, and they who possessed of a steadfast mind know thus, even at the hour of death, they too know me alone.
ಓಂ ತತ್ಸದಿತಿ ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತಾಸು ಉಪನಿಷತ್ಸು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವಿದ್ಯಾಯಾಂ ಯೋಗಶಾಸ್ತ್ರೇ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣಾರ್ಜುನ ಸಂವಾದೇ ಜ್ಞಾನವಿಜ್ಞಾನಯೋಗೋ ನಾಮ ಸಪ್ತಮೋಧ್ಯಾಯಃ.
Thus, in the Upanishads sung by the Lord, the science of Brahma, the scripture of yoga, the dialogue between Sri Krishna and Arjuna ends the 7th chapter entitled The Yoga of Gnana, knowledge of Nirguna Brahma, and Vijnana, knowledge of manifest divinity.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಶಾರದೆ ದೇವಿ ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರ ಪುರವಾಸಿನಿ ತ್ವಾಮಹಂ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥೆಯೇ ನಿತ್ಯಂ ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾನಂಚ ದೇಹಿಮೆ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.